Hey guys, recently I bought a Cult Fit massage gun. It has been more than a month I've been using it, and I just wanted to give a review. So with the box you get a warranty card, a pouch, and a main motor, that gun, and then the all the attachment which can be used, and then you have a type C cable. So first thing, we'll talk about how this functions, right? So you have a button here. If you do a one click, it tells you what is the battery percentage. Basically all these LED lights, so if it's the end one, it means it's 100%, right? And then if you keep it pressed, it gets turned on. You see this, right? Yeah. And then if you press again, the frequency would change. You would see this. So I have used my friend's Bolt ka, there is one massage gun, but then I decided to go with this one as this is very cheap, right? I got it around 750 on sale, right? I mean, it has a very good battery backup. I mean, I got it for a month now. It has been a month now, and I have you charged it only once, and I used it almost, 10 almost on an average 10 minutes per 2 days, every 2 days. Okay, so I don't see any problem with the battery backup so far. It has a, I think, 3000 mAh battery. I'm not sure. You can check the description. Again, the motor is of 30 watt, which can produce 6.5 kg of force on your muscle. Now let's talk about what all these attachments, the with the gun, right? So one, you get this silicone round head one, which it can be used to target large muscle area. And then you have one spade head one. Yeah, this is called a spade head. So this can be used for your neck, shoulder, or upper back as well. Okay. And then you have this one, this cone head one. This can be used for joint pains, or wherever there is a triggering point, right? This can be used. And then there's one called flat head. This is basically to relax the muscles. This can be used. I go gym almost 5 to 6 days a week, mix activity, game, swimming, cycling, workout, calisthenic. I do all those kind of stuff, right? So, and I find this useful. I mean, that does the job. Abhi raat mein aakar ke what I do is I put oil and then I use this massage guns. So it really helps. It relaxes my muscle. So to overall summarize, this in this budget, this is the best thing that I could have asked for, right? The battery backup is awesome. The motor frequency and then the force that it exert is more than enough for my muscle. I'm not sure if you need more, but I feel 6.5 kg is enough for me, right? So this is a best deal from Cult Fit. I was skeptical initially that whether I should go for it or not. Then I thought to give it a try, and I find this is worth. Thanks for watching.